Well, with that said, let's check in with Allison. How's our weather shaping up for the weekend?
It's going to be a warm one, Denise, and a bit more humidity, unfortunately. It was so nice. You know, over the last few weeks, you step outside in the morning, it's still dark, maybe a bit chilly. And then the warm afternoons, but no, we're going to be seeing those relative humidity values rise over the next several days. We are waking up to the potential for some patchy, even dense fog. Dense fog advisory for some until 10 o'clock this morning. Then those skies will be clearing and those temperatures rising. So if you are early voting today, just make sure that you bring a water bottle with you just in case you need to stand in line. I promise you it's going to be worth it, though, to get that I voted sticker. Now let's talk about some homecoming games. We have Prairie View A&M kickoff at 2 o'clock, meaning folks will be tailgating before that. Make sure that you're drinking plenty of water as those temps will be rising. 85 degrees by kickoff for the U of H game. Utah's coming to town. Lots of clear skies as well. Similar story for Texas A&M as LSU is heading out to College Station. That is a 6:30 p.m. kickoff. And Texas is heading out to Nashville to take on Vanderbilt, and it will be feeling like fall there, 60s and 50s if you're planning on heading out to the game. Then we have Grambling State taking on TSU at home, and that's going to be a 6 p.m. kickoff. Once again, another round of those warm temperatures. And it's going to be a rinse and repeat tomorrow if you're planning on heading out to the Texans game. The Colts are coming to NRG Stadium. That is going to be a noon kickoff, also warm and dry, and we stay that way through early next week. I will say starting on Tuesday, we are going to monitor a rise in the winds as they are going to be shifting out of the southeast, bringing a rise in the humidity and even the chance for some rain. I will say the heaviest rain through this upcoming week is likely going to be to our north, but hey, at least we have rain in our forecast at all as it has been so dry. But could that be impacting the trick-or-treaters? It's definitely a possibility. Right now, we're talking about a chance for showers, 30 to 40% coverage. As we get closer, we'll have more details on the exact timing and location of the rain so that you can plan your Halloween ahead. We do know it's going to be a warm one, likely looking at temperatures in the 70s for those trick-or-treaters. Now, as we head into the first several days of November, it does look like our rain chances will be above average, meaning chance for showers likely going to continue, but temperatures also going to be well above average. And honestly, that warm trend continuing through the winter months. And our normal highs for this time of year, right around 79 degrees. And as you can see, over the next 7 days, we won't be even getting close to that. Humidity will be on the rise with forecast highs for your Halloween at 85 degrees. Hey everyone, it's Fox 26 meteorologist Allison Gargaro, and we are getting ever so close to Halloween. But hey, it's the full weekend ahead of the holidays, so there's a lot of trunk-or-treat events that are happening. We have some parades down in Galveston, and the weather is going to be nice. Temperatures by 12 in Houston will be quickly warming to the low 80s, and we're likely going to be in the upper 80s, if not near 90 degrees today. So we have the potential for nearing some records once again. Needless to say, it's going to be warm, sunny, and dry. So if the kiddos have the full-on outfits, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe a transformer. I don't know why that was the first thing that came to my head, but something that they're wearing long sleeves. They're probably going to get really hot, especially when they're carrying around their big old heavy bag of candy. Make sure that they're drinking plenty of water and that you're taking breaks inside the AC. Now, maybe you have an event on Sunday. Temperatures still going to be warm, and you know, trunk-or-treats could be happening during the evening hours ahead of the holiday. The thing is, yes, highs are technically going to be dropping just a bit to the mid 80s, but the thing is, humidity values are going to be on the rise, and it's going to get a bit breezy out ahead of the approach of our next big weather maker. So let's break it down. What are we going to be seeing across the southeast and the region over the next few days? Well, high pressure continues to dominate. Winds out of the southeast will help bring a rise in that humidity, but there is going to be a frontal boundary moving across the state sometime during the middle of the week. Now, early on, we could be seeing a few coastal showers move in, let's say early Wednesday morning, but likely Wednesday, Thursday into Friday is when we will be seeing higher rain chances. Now, the heaviest rain and higher accumulations going to be happening north of our viewing area. area. But hey, I think just rain in the forecast, a lot of folks are excited for. The thing is, Halloween is right during that time frame. So for the trick-or-treaters, we're talking the night of the 31st. We are going to call it warm. Temperatures are likely in the 70s while you're going from house to house and hanging out with family and friends. But there is the chance for some showers. Now, it is Saturday before Halloween, and I'd say by early next week, give us Monday into Tuesday morning, we're going to have a much better idea on the exact coverage of the rain, i.e. how much you could expect during trick-or-treating. But we're likely going to be seeing the location also come into focus during that time. So if you just stick with us here on the free Fox Local app, we'll continue to bring you the latest on your Halloween updates. And then always we're going to bring you your normal weather updates as well. Hey, we are getting close to election season. We know that a lot of folks will be voting as well, and we'll have those details all on the free Fox Local app. We'll see you guys later.